Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. Here we have just come with the new product, and the product name is HDMI to VGA output converter, and you can say it's a HDMI to VGA adapter as well. So here you can see we have one HDMI to VGA adapter and one auxiliary cable. So first of all, this is HDMI input, then we have audio output, then we have standard VGA output. So basically this item will be used for, like, if you want to just convert the HDMI to VGA output. Otherwise you can also use for a display purpose as well for HDMI to VGA. So first of all, I'm just going to show you transferring the display from HDMI to VGA. So let's see how to do it. So here we have VGA male connection. So just connect with your display which has a female port. Now we have just HDMI male to male connection, so just connect it. So here you can see I have a laptop and I'm just transferring this display to my big screen. I have a HDMI output over here, so just connect it. So now we have just connected this HDMI output to VGA. Now I'm just turning on my display. So you can see I was just transferring this display. So I have a two display over here. Now I'll play the music. We'll see like we'll get the sound or not. Now you can see we are not getting any sound. For that, what you need to do, you have to just use this 3.5 mm jack cable, and you have to connect this cable to your HDMI to VGA converter, and one end goes to your speaker, so you can easily hear the sound. So here we are just connecting this 3.5 mm jack cable to the aux port. Now we are just going to connect another end into my speaker. It's the aux input. So you can hear the sound in speaker. Now you have seen that, like, we have just transferred this display, like we have just used the laptop and we are using another screen. So basically we are just transferring this display. Now we are using this HDMI to VGA converter through the system, and I will show you how to use it. So here we have system and we are using this converter through our system directly. So just connecting with the HDMI port. Okay, now you can see we have just used this HDMI to VGA converter with our system, and you can see we have a display over here. So I will just try to play the music again. So again we'll check with the system like we'll get the sound or not. Okay, now you can see we are not getting the sound just because this is the display only. So the same way you can just connect this 3.5 mm jack into the HDMI to VGA converter, else you have a system, so you can use this 3.5 mm jack into your system directly. Okay, so I'm just going to connect this 3.5 mm jack into my system. So you can see we did not use this 3.5 mm jack cable into our HDMI to VGA converter. Rather than we have used this into our system and we are getting this sound. So there is no necessary, like you can just use this 3.5 mm jack cable into your HDMI to VGA converter. You can use this into your system as well. So basically this HDMI to VGA converter is used for, like, if you want to just view the two display, you can easily use it, and if you want to use with the directly system, you can also use it. So if you like our video, then please share and subscribe. Thank you.